Today, I'll show you how to connect Typeform to Go High Level. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by integrating these two powerful tools, you've come to the right place. We'll go through each step to ensure a smooth connection process. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to typeform.com. If you haven't already, log into your Typeform account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which displays all the forms you've created. If you're new to Typeform, this is where all your interactive forms are stored and managed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you need to. Next, select the form you want to connect to Go High Level. This could be a contact form, a survey, or any other form you've created. Hover over the form, and you'll see an option to click and open it. This step is crucial because the integration will only work with the specific form you choose. If you haven't created a form yet, you might want to set one up first before proceeding. Once you have your form open, look towards the top of the page. Here you should see a menu bar with various options. Click on the one labeled Connect. This is where Typeform allows you to integrate with various third-party applications, enhancing the functionality of your forms. By clicking Connect, you'll enter a new world of possibilities where your data can seamlessly flow to other platforms. In the Connect section, you'll be presented with a list of apps and services you can link to your Typeform. This list is populated with popular tools and services that many users find beneficial. For our purpose, scroll through until you find Go High Level. Once located, click on the Connect button next to it. This action initiates the integration process between your selected Typeform and Go High Level, allowing the data collected from your form to be automatically sent over to your Go High Level account. If this is your first time connecting Typeform to Go High Level, you might need to authorize the connection. Follow any on-screen prompts to grant permission for Typeform to access your Go High Level account. This is a standard procedure to ensure that your data remains secure and that both applications can communicate effectively. After authorizing, your Typeform and Go High Level should now be connected. To confirm the integration, you can test it by filling out your Typeform and checking if the data appears in your Go High Level account. This final check ensures everything is working as expected and that your workflow is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Typeform to Go High Level. By integrating these platforms, you can automatically funnel responses from Typeform directly into Go High Level, improving efficiency and data management. Whether you're collecting leads, feedback, or any other data, this integration makes it easier to organize and act on the information you gather. Thank you for watching and happy connecting.